हेलो स्टूडेंट्स ओजेई 2020 ପାଇଁ शेड्यूल आसी जाइए जोटा कि तुम पोस्टपोन हो जाइए शेड्यूल कौन आसी देखा ओजेई ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट रे आसी ojeyi.nic.in रे चेक करवा आम कौन आसी नोटिस बाहरी 18/9/2020 रे मीन्स टुडे सो एग्जाम डेट अच्छी तार 12th October टू 19th October 2020 सो एग्जाम डा सीबीटी हेबो मीन्स ऑनलाइन कंप्यूटर बेस्ड टेस्ट हेबो ऑल द कोर्सेस सबुजा कोर्स पे हेबो बीटेक नॉन जेई बी फार्म एमबीए एमटेक पार्ट टाइम सब गुड़ाक एम फार्म इंटीग्रेटेड एमबीए lateral entry to बीटेक that is diploma students B farm all the courses exam तमर सब ऑनलाइन सीबीटी बेस्ड हबो सो एग्जाम तमर शिफ्ट वाइज हबो मेंशन करिछि 3 शिफ्ट्स ऑन ईच डे ऑफ द एग्जामिनेशन तीनटा शिफ्ट हबो डिफरेंट शिफ्टिंग टाइमिंग एंड डिटेल शेड्यूल नेक्स्ट रिलीज से करिवो and also you will get the link to download the admit card at the end of this month as per this official notification says. So it requested that the candidates and their parents to advise that to keep the visiting our website for latest updates. So the shift wise complete schedule of the examination as well as all the dates for downloading admit cards, roll number shift wise, center of examination in this official website by the end of September 2020 this month. So it has also notice for the correction and completion of the incomplete applications if any. जदि तुम किसी एप्लिकेशन रे रॉन्ग अच्छी एटा तुम फाइनल चांस ताको करेक्ट करिया पाए ठीक अच्छे तो करेक्शन के बड़े कर देख कैंडिडेट्स आर हियर बाय इन्फॉर्म्ड टू कांटेक्ट ओजेई अथॉरिटी थ्रू ईमेल्स एज पर द फॉर्मेट एंड शेड्यूल गिवन बिलो विथ वैलिड आईडी प्रूफ एंड प्रॉपर कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर फॉर नेसेसरी करेक्शन एंड फॉर द completion of the applications. So the format is like this. You have to mention your name, application number and corrections required means whatever the correction you need to mention then you will mention here. You can mention in paragraph like corrections in bracket like this. Okay. And your mobile number which you have already registered that mobile number and the registered mail ID which you have registered during the registration process. So, see this is very important. Candidates must attach scanned copy of handwritten application and a copy of valid ID proof. So, valid ID proof may be your PAN card or Aadhaar card etc. After completion of this format that you require to correct your application, you have to mail this format to this official email ID that is odishaojei@gmail.com and you have the request for the deadline is 22/9/2020 till 5 p.m. So it is requested that mail received after due date and time will not be considered. So if you want to any correction to your application as per this format, so you fill your applications as per this format and mail this to this official email ID. I have already made a mock test for your Android interface. Now we will see the interface for the system or computer or laptop. So you will click this mock test and then you will select as per your exam. For example, let me select ELITech for diploma In your actual exam, you can see your name, candidate name and the subject and your photo. In the actual exam, you have to put your user ID and password as it is given in the exam center. Exam center will provide you the IDs and passwords. So after putting your IDs and password, you will sign in. But for the mock test, we no required the ID and password. So you simply sign in. So after sign in, you can read the instructions for different colors, for different reasons it is given. For example, we have white colors, that the white color means you have not visited these questions. Red color means you have not answered these questions. Green color means you have answered the questions, and for review also there. So now, next. So after that instruction, you will choose here. I read this instruction and I am ready to begin. So after that, you can see the interface like this. From this right side, you can see the number of questions. For this mock test, it is given 30 questions. So as per your number of questions, the questions of all the questions will be like here. So you can select any number if you want. For example, we want to go to the question number 10. So select question number 10. So you will have question number 10 here. So select any of these four options. For example, we have the correct answer for this question, suppose 10. So select 10, then save and next. Similarly, you can answer all these questions. After answering one question, you have to save and next. Click save and next. For example, if you want to mark this, so mark this and review. So you can see that here question number 11 is marked that. So that is why it is violet color. Violet color means mark for review. In this OJE, you have a virtual calculator given. So you can click this calculator icon, then you will get this virtual calculator. You can shift these calculators anywhere in the screen as per your suitable. So let us keep here. So this is a virtual calculator. So for example, we want to calculate sine 60 degree. So you have to put this 60, value 60, then you will have to click sine, then it is of sine 60 degree. So sine 60 degree, the value is 0.866. So this is actually works in reverse process. In actual calculator, we are using sine 60. Suppose sine 60 means we apply, suppose sine 60 means we click sine, then 60. But here you will click first 60, then sine. So it is of reverse order. So you can keep this in anywhere in the screen. You can minimize this or you can cross this. Okay, you can cross. After that, you will also get again, okay, by clicking the above icon. So if you not required means it is disturbing, then you can cross this. So here you can see this is a section given. So if you have two or more sections, means two or more subject, then you can see here all the subjects. So you can click on particular of that subject to appear that particular subject. So above you can see here this is given a question paper. Let us click this. After clicking the question paper, you can see all the questions here. For example, if we want to answer this question, so this is of what? Question number 27. So after closing this, close this and go to the question number 27. Clicking this question number 27, you will appear the question number 27. So that will help you. The question paper will help in that way. So here instruction is there. So this icon instruction is also given. So these are the instructions. So in this instruction it is given how to save and next mark for review. You can read it in the exam center. Also in the mock test. So, but here you can see it is given the correct answer is 1 and negative marking is 0, but actual it is given that for correct answer we have 4 marks and for negative we have 25% negative, that is minus 1. But let us see what happens in this mock test. It is given positive 1 mark and negative for 0. But in actual what will happen you can see in your real exam. So after completing all the questions you can submit this. Okay. After submitting you will see the number of questions, number of answered you have answered, and number of questions you have not answered, and number of questions you have not visited. So after that, so click here yes and then OK, and that is all. And it is asked the candidate's feedback form in the exam. You can fill it or leave it. You can fill it and submit it. So thank you for valuable feedback. You have successfully completed the test. So now click OK. So this is the end of exit exam. Please share and subscribe. Hope you like this video, and if you have any doubt, don't forget to comment below. I will try to reply your queries. Thank you.